Hi everyone and welcome back to one more video of All Lite Food, and today I'm going to share the yellow peas salad which is inspired from a very famous Odia street food, the Jhal Matar. And to make the recipe, first I'm going to take 1 to 2 cups of water in a bowl, to which I will add 1 cup of dried yellow peas to soak it overnight or at least 8 hours before cooking. Soaking of any dried lentil or beans for 8 to 10 hours before boiling it is must to attain the perfection of cooking. This also reduces the cooking time and saves energy. Once the yellow peas are soaked, to this I am going to add salt to taste, around half a teaspoon, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder for that nice yellow color. And we'll let it to cook on medium to high heat for 15 to 20 minutes. You can also use the pressure cooker to cook the peas. Just make sure that it is not overcooked. All you need is the whole cooked peas. Once done, drain the excess water and keep it aside. Now to make the salad, take 1½ cup of boiled yellow peas in a bowl, and to this add 1 cup of finely chopped cucumbers. Next, I will add 1/4 cup of onion. If you want more onions in your salad, then just go for it. Next, 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped tomatoes. So I'm going to add the lemon juice so the amount of tomatoes are less. And 1 finely chopped green chilies. If you're making it for your kids, then you can avoid the chilies. And if you like it more spicy, then go for 2. I will just give it a nice mix. Next, I will add a handful of finely chopped coriander leaves for that nice aroma. And for flavors, I will add 1/4 teaspoon of black salt or the pink salt, or you can also use the regular table salt, and half a teaspoon of roasted cumin and red chili powder. Next, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, or as much as you need it. This is going to give the salad a sharp taste. And to make it more like street style, avoid the pepper powder and add chaat powder and oil instead. I will just give it a nice mix. I will finish with half a lemon. Just squeeze it on the salad nicely. Sometimes I add fresh yogurt instead of lemon, and that tastes equally good. If you like curd in your salad, then do give it a try. With this salad, curd is going to taste really good. Now give it a nice mix. So here I am adding 2 tablespoons of fried gram flour noodles or the Bhujia, just to give it a little bit of street style touch, but this is completely optional. You can avoid it. And to learn how I make my homemade Bhujia, you can visit my website. I will give the link in the description box. Give it a nice and final mix and serve. A super simple and healthy snack is ready. So thank you so much for watching All Lite Food. I'm sure you enjoyed the recipe. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy. For health and food related topics, please visit my website at www.alllitefood.com, and you can also connect with me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.